Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to find a player in Last War Survival. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to find players in Last War Survival. If you want to find a specific player, there's no direct player search option. However, you can search for usernames of people you've already chatted with. Simply go to your chat list, type their exact username, and they'll appear in the results. If you haven't chatted with them before, they won't show up. Another method is through alliances. Head to your alliance tab and check the member list. You can even visit on other alliances to see their members and spot the player you're looking for. You can also use the word chat, where all players from different servers interact. Just ask the player to message there, and you'll be able to view their profile and follow or message them instantly. Lastly, you can explore the world map of your current server. Though it might take a while due to its size, overall chatting or joining alliances are the fastest ways to locate players and Last War Survival. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.